Pottinger's class? Today we divided decimals. Can you divide decimals?
Yes.
To divide means to split into what? The answer to a division problem is a? What part of the division problem does the splitting? What part of the division problem is being split? If you have a division box or a division house, what is the top? No, what is it called? No, it's called the quotient, right? The z is the quotient, right? What is this called then? What is this called? Do I need to do anything special with this division problem right here? The only special thing I would say is beyond your regular division, make sure you put your decimal point up, right? But this division problem had a divisor with a decimal in it. Can you divide with a decimal in it?
No.
We need to get rid of that decimal, right? So we do this thing called a, which is the same as multiplying by a power of. If I bunny hop in the divisor, I also have to bunny hop in the same exact amount of spaces. Once you have it bunny hopped, should you rewrite your problem? So if our decimal moves here, it's 3. If our decimal moves here, it's 36, right? Solve then, yes. What happens if you have, sorry about that. What happens if you have a problem like this in which it was just 650 divided by 1 3/10? We knew we had to bunny hop to get rid of the decimal in the divisor, right? But there was no decimal here, so what did we have to add? No, we had to add the decimal, right? And then once we bunny hopped, we added the... You guys good?